Hare Krishna. Our today's question is, when people don't trust us, when they don't have faith in us, what should we do in that situation? Is trust, faith necessary in life? Yes, first of all, we should understand this trust and faith. It is absolutely necessary in life. Not only important, it is necessary in life. Without trust, our lives cannot move. In our life, from morning to evening, we put our trust in so many things, knowingly or unknowingly. When you wake up in the morning, you go to your bathroom, you take your brush and open that toothpaste. So we have trust in that toothpaste, in the company who made that toothpaste, that this toothpaste is right, there is no wrong things in it, there is no poison in it. It is safe for me. When you pour the milk in the glass from that milk bottle, you have trust that this milk is good. There is nothing wrong added into that. There is no poison added into that. When you are traveling in a train or a bus, you know that this train or bus will help me reach my destination. When you are traveling in a plane, do you first go and check in the compartment cabin of the pilot that who is the pilot, what is his qualification, is it really a human being or a monkey flying that plane? So we put trust in so many things, knowingly or unknowingly. But many times in our close circle, with people around us, we are not able to trust them. We don't put our trust in them. Why? There are so many reasons why people do not trust anybody. First reason is, if somebody doesn't trust us, maybe again and again we have broken their trust. We have done something that now they are no longer able to trust us. If we say I am going to do something and you don't do that thing, or if you don't do it on timely manner, if you are always cheating somebody again and again, so people lose trust in us. So trust is also like a bank account. In a bank account you make deposits and then you can do some withdrawal also. But if somebody is not depositing at all and just making withdrawal, what will happen? One day there will be an overdraft. So it will be an overdraft account will be frozen. We cannot make any withdrawal anymore. Same thing is with the trust account. If we are always failing to fulfill our words, if we are always making mistakes, so this is like making withdrawal. And people are no longer able to trust us. And second reason is, maybe we ourselves have not broken their trust, we haven't cheated them, but they have been cheated by somebody else, and now they are not able to trust anybody else also. Many times this happens. Somebody meets a wrong dhongi sadhu baba who has cheated them. Now they are not able to trust any right person also. Same way, if somebody has been cheated by a doctor, they are not able to trust the good doctors also. So sometimes we have not done anything wrong, but because people have been cheated by others, they just lose their trust in others also. As it is said, दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. They just become overcautious. And the third reason somebody doesn't trust us enough, because maybe they have little favoritism, bias towards somebody else. They consider them most important and they want to keep them always in the front. So they don't trust anybody else. And the fourth reason, which is quite important, that is because somebody does not have that quality within himself. He himself is not trustworthy. He thinks others also not trustworthy. Somebody has that wrong intention in his heart, he thinks others also has those wrong intentions. Somebody has that lust in the heart or greed in the heart, he thinks the others also have the lust or greed in their heart. Somebody himself has cheated others and he thinks, oh, the other person is also a cheater. There is a very small, beautiful story to illustrate this point. Once there was a small boy and he had a very, very colorful stones, very beautiful, colorful stones with him. And in his neighborhood there was another small girl, his friend. So one day that girl came to this boy. She had many nice candies. So the boy told the girl, you give me all your candies and in exchange I will give you all my these beautiful colorful stones. So the girl agreed to the proposal. She gave all her candies to the boy, and while the boy was giving his stones, he hid one stone, one very beautiful stone, he just hid behind and gave all other stones. Now at night that girl slept very peacefully, but the boy was not able to sleep peacefully. Why? Because the boy was thinking, oh, what if that girl also has kept some very sweet candy, very nice candy hidden from me, if she did not give the best candy to me. So because that boy has that tendency in himself, he is not able to trust the other person. So that is what happened most of the time. People themselves have those bad traits, bad qualities, and they think others have that. So building trust is not a skill set that we can learn. Building trust is a trait of our character. And trust can be earned and built over a period of time. It takes time to build trust. But that trust can be lost very easily if we make mistakes. If we again and again keep cheating others, keep making mistake. So when people cannot even trust God, who are we? What is our situation? When Lord Krishna was himself present on this planet, when he was doing his Leela, he was residing in Dwarika, Maharaj Ugrasen was the ruling king. So at that time in their kingdom there was one very wealthy person named Satyajit. Satyajit received a gift from sun god Bivaswan. He received a very valuable jewel, and that jewel used to produce so much gold every day. So when Krishna came to know about that jewel, he thought this jewel should be under the care of Maharaj Ugrasen. He should be under the treasury of the king so that that jewel can be protected. So he gave that proposal to Satyajit, but he did not agree with the proposal. This is my stone, this is my jewel, I will keep this. So one day Satyajit's brother, he took that jewel, put it in his necklace in the neck, and he went to the forest. During hunting in the forest, one lion attacked that person and killed him. So when Satyajit's brother did not return for a long time, Satyajit had doubt on Krishna. He thought, because Krishna wanted to take this jewel, maybe he has killed my brother, he has attacked my brother and stole that jewel. So he did not trust Krishna and blamed on Krishna. So now in that situation, what did Krishna do? So if that situation comes in our life, what will we do? We may retaliate, we may become angry at that person. How dare you say like this to me? But what did Krishna do? Lord Krishna, he was completely calm. He thought, I have to prove myself innocent. I have to prove myself not guilty. So he went to the forest in search of the brother of Satyajit. He found the dead body of that person and then he traced. Ultimately he was able to find that jewel and bring back. So Lord Krishna acted very peacefully and proved himself innocent. So in our lives, we should also take lesson from this story. When some sort of situation like this comes, we should act peacefully. We should do our work with patience, prove ourselves not guilty. So because, as I said, it takes time to build trust. It takes time to build that relationship. So we should have faith in Krishna. We should have faith in God. And God is our best friend. Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Suhrido sarva dehinam gyatva mam shantim rachati. I am the best friend of all the living entities, and if somebody is able to know me, he can attain peace in his life. And Lord Krishna is seated in everybody's heart as Paramatma. Sarvasya chaham hriday shanivishtam mattah smritir jnanam apohanam cha. So Lord Krishna seating in everybody's heart, he gives them knowledge within their heart. So if we have faith in Krishna, if we are doing the right things without having any cheating propensity towards others, Krishna will inspire the other person to have faith and trust in us. So we just have to do our things with utmost innocence, utmost purity, without any tendency of cheating others, with right intentions. And one day people will be able to see our good qualities and they will have trust in us. Hare Krishna.